Hello, you beautiful 99ers. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am Sway to the 99, and yes, I am decked out in pineapples because today's video is, as you probably saw in the title of the video, we are going to be making the Dole Whip from Disney. So I'm super excited because this one is very, very easy to make, and it's also something that kids would definitely enjoy, and I am so excited to be making this. I've been looking forward to doing this video for a few weeks now, so thank you so much for joining me. And as a quick note, if you guys are new, welcome. Definitely hit the subscribe button. I do post videos on Dollar Tree walkthroughs and hauls, 99-cent only store walkthroughs and hauls, and of course budget meals. And then obviously once things kind of go back to normal, I'm going to be going back to doing Daiso walkthroughs as well. So if you guys are into that stuff, definitely hit the subscribe button. So with today's video, I'm going to do the Disney Dole Whip. So yeah, let's get started and show you guys. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. I'm so excited. I'm legitimately hyped right now. So I hope you guys stick around and see what we make. All right, guys, I was not kidding when I said this is a very, very simple recipe. This is literally going to take me maybe a couple of minutes. So what we do need is 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream, which I actually did find this at the Dollar Tree, which is perfect because this is all I need. You need about half a can of the pineapple juice. Of course, you got to use, I picked up the one that actually says includes pineapple bits. Also, I do need 2 cups of pineapple, frozen, of course. I did purchase the pineapple at the 99-cent only store, and I did slice it myself, and I did let it freeze overnight. So I will put a picture here of the actual pineapple. So I wanted to make it nice and fresh. So I decided to, get real bougie and get fancy. So I decided to, cut up my own fresh pineapple just to give it the very fresh taste. And again, this is super easy, and I hope you guys try this at home, especially if you have little ones or if you are just missing out on Disney and you just need a little taste of Disney, literally. So I'm really excited to be making this with you guys. So, all right, enough chit-chatting. Let's get blending, mixing, tasting, all that fun stuff. And if you guys have been watching me lately, you've noticed a little kitty roaming around. I just want to show you he's taking a little nap. This is Bozzy. Bozzy, say hi. Anyway, I know many of you are always asking about him, and here he is in all his glory, doing what he does best, which is sleeping. So, all right, let's continue on with the video. All right, so let's start with the measurements. So we do need about 2 cups of pineapple. We can get it in here. And it doesn't obviously have to be exact, but just trying to get as close to the measurements as possible. So 2 cups of pineapple, which I think this is going to be perfect. I mean, as far as the measurement, pretty much the whole thing. There we go. I'm just going to throw in a little extra piece in for good luck. And then we need, and then of course we do need our ice cream. So next we're going to put in our 1 scoop of ice cream. Oh, not that much, buddy. Okay, I think that's good. I'm just going to eyeball it. There we go. Get the ice cream in there. Perfect. Actually, you know what? Just a little extra just to be safe. And of course, our pineapple juice. And you want to use about half of the can, or 4 ounces if you have a larger container. Here we go. That's about half the can. I am so excited, you guys. This is going to be so good. And like I did say, if you are new, definitely hit the subscribe button. I've been posting cooking videos for the last 1.5 years, which is crazy to say. But anyway, so I do primarily focus on vegetarian and vegan meals. So if that is something that interests you, and if you just happen to find my channel, welcome. And definitely please hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment and let me know what types of cooking videos you would like to see moving forward. All right, guys, close your ears. All right, so I think this is ready to go. I'm just gonna take out the blade. And to get that nice mixture, what I'm going to do is actually put it in a bag and then pour it into the cup. And I did already make a little hole in here, so that will be perfect. So now to try to get it out of the bag, some technical difficulties. Of course, it is not a sway cooking video unless something isn't going perfect. But as you guys know, I like to keep it 100% with you guys here on my channel. All right, so we have the goodness. So now to get it into the cup. All right, maybe the, okay. All right, there we go. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna bring you guys right back. I think I need to make the hole a little bigger. All right, so not the most perfect outcome, but it's doing it. It's doing the job, and it's exactly what I need. It's just a nice. Oh, come on! Don't be shy. Oh my God! This is probably the most exciting video yet, the most technical difficulty video as well. Why is it stuck? All right. Oh, there's a little chunk of pineapple. That's why. Okay. I was like, why is it stuck? It was doing it. There we go. All right. So don't judge me on the presentation this time around. Okay. So it didn't fully blend, but again, I'm being 100% with you guys. There we go. All right. I think that is good for now. Oh, there's still little bits of chunks in here. There we go. Now it's cooperating with me. All right, I think that does it. Let's bring you a little closer, away from the sunlight. All right, so probably not the most, probably not the most beautiful Dole Whip ever. But let's see what it tastes like. I think that's what it matters at this point. It's not about the presentation, it's about the taste. So let's jump right into the taste test and see what I think. All right, guys, cheers. Oh my God. This is good. If I can get the straw to work. Wow, it literally tastes just like the ones you would find at Disney. I know mine is not fancy, but excuse me. As you guys saw, I had some technical difficulties, but this is so good. And one thing, if you guys haven't noticed, I do like pineapples. I actually even have this one right here that I found at the 99-cent only store. So anyway, I was really excited to make this video. One, because obviously I love pineapples. Two, because this one was a very easy one to make. And I know many of you will definitely try, or rather enjoy this if you try it at home with your kids or by yourself. No judgment. Look at me, I made it and I'm enjoying it by myself. You guys, this is seriously so freaking good. So I hope you guys try this one at home. Wow, I'm gonna savor that because it is amazing. All right, thank you so much for watching. I will be back this weekend for my 99-cent only store walkthrough, so thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already checked out, I am gonna be posting the winners for my surprise giveaway today. Probably later today, depending. But anyway, check my Instagram and my YouTube community post because I did do 2 giveaways, one on my Instagram and Sway to the 99. So definitely make sure you follow me there, and also on my YouTube channel at Sway to the 99. So definitely hit the subscribe button if you are new. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, have a great evening, and I will see you on the next one.